Hello and everyone, tutorial number 29. This tutorial I am going to discuss about pocket type. Pocket type is nothing else extrude cut. In another software CAD program, it is called extrude cut, but in CATIA it is called pocket. So pocket pad, I am going to use this tools in this tutorial 29. So please listen and please watch very carefully. So I'll sketch here. So this is the plane here, x, y, y, z and zx plane, and this is the compass to rotate, or else you can rotate through the keyboard, or else you can, there is option here to rotate. Now choose the xy plane, select a sketch. Now I will sketch this polygon, pentagon. Now if you want to give it a constraint value, then you can choose the constraint. So now exit from a sketch. So this is our sketch. Now you just go to pad or extrude command. You can find it from here, pad command. So now just pad it 10 mm. Now preview, you can see the preview model. Now click OK. So this is the pad. Now I'm going to use this pocket command. So now, so this is the pocket here. So I'll choose this pocket command. So I'm going to extrude cut here. So I'll give you the two examples. So first select this one and select a sketch. Now you can rotate or go to isometric view. Now you can go to insert and operations and 3D geometry and 3D element and select all the edge. So no need to sketch further if you want this shape as it is. So this is the one way, and second way, you can sketch of in this circle. So select circle or pentagon like this, or else select this one, or go to first exit, select this one, go to sketch. Now you can choose pentagon, select like this or like this. So now exit from a sketch. Now go to pad pocket, just click the pocket option. Now there is option how much cut you want. I'll take 5 mm extrude a cut or a pocket preview. Now you can see 5 mm depth is cut. Now there is option, so it is reverse the direction from here also. Now preview done, click OK. So this is the cut one side. So I'll cut to one more side. This side select a sketch, circle, exit from a sketch. Now choose this pocket, and there is option. Now in this video you can see there is option how if exact dimension if you want, so you can select the dimension, and there is option up to next. So up to next means from till yet you will get extrude cut. So first I will choose the dimension. I'll take 5 mm preview. Now you can see the 5 mm is depth cut. Now you will choose the up to next, select the preview. So now see all the part is cut. Now I will choose the up to last, so it will cut through last. Now choose the up to plane. There is also option up to surface. So I'll take up to 5 mm preview, click OK. So now we just rotate, so you can see 5 mm depth I cut this surface also. So this is called pocket in CATIA. So I hope you understand this tutorial or this pocket command. So I'll meet you in the next video through the another examples or another tools command. Thank you for watching.